Welcome to the city of Zutphen, located in the heart of the Netherlands. At first glance, it appears to be like an ordinary Dutch city. However, for Ahmadi Muslims, it has some significance, one that even its local residents might not be aware of. While we find an early 11th century reference to the city, Ahmadis are most interested in a 19th century reference, wherein the founder of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad alayhi salam, highlighted a historical incident that took place in the city. In his treatise entitled Kitab al-Bariyya and Malfuzat Volume 1, the Promised Messiah alayhi salam mentions a historical incident presented by Christian priests, which involves Sir Phillip Sidney, a Protestant Englishman known for his opposition to the Roman Catholic Church. In the year 1586, Sir Phillip fought in the Battle of Zutphen against the Spanish. After being shot in the leg, a wound that would later prove fatal, he was offered some water. Despite this, Sir Phillip instructed that the water be given to one of his soldiers who had also been injured, stating, "Thy necessity is greater than mine." This all occurred in Zutphen, and by mentioning this incident, it is evident that the Promised Messiah ﷺ was aware of the existence of the town and this incident. To read what the Promised Messiah ﷺ wrote, see the links below.